Hello, good morning, students. Today we'll do scalar triple product of three vectors. The scalar triple product of three vectors a, b, and c, denoted by this symbol, is defined as a dot b cross c. Let a be vector a1i plus a2j plus a3k, and vector b be b1i plus b2j plus b3k, and c vector c be c1i plus c2j plus c3k. Then the scalar triple product of the three vectors a, b, and c is given by the value of this determinant. The first row of the determinant will be the scalar components of the first vector. First vector is a, so the first row will be scalar components of the first vector. Second vector is b, so the second row will be b1, b2, b3. Third vector is c here, so scalar components of the vector c are c1, c2, c3. The third row will be c1, c2, c3, and then we have to expand the determinant to get the value of the product. So I will expand. We will expand along the first row. A1 whole into B2 C3 minus C2 B3 minus A2 whole into B1 C3 minus C1 B3 plus A3 whole into B1 C2 B1 C2 minus C1 B2. This expression will give the value of the scalar triple product of ABC. In scalar triple product, if any two vectors are equal, then the product will be equal to 0. For example, AAB, the scalar triple product of these three vectors will be 0 because two vectors are same. Here also BB, two vectors are same, so it will be 0. CC, two vectors are same, so this product will be 0. That is A dot A cross B. AAB means A dot A cross B will be 0 because two vectors are equal. Why the scalar triple product is 0 if two vectors are equal? If two vectors are equal, then two rows in the determinant will be identical. For example, if we take here first and second vector both A, then the first row and the second row will be identical. The second row also will be A1, A2, A3 if both are vector A. So in this case, the value of the determinant will be 0 because the property of determinant, according to the property of determinant, if two rows or columns of a determinant are identical, then the value of the determinant is 0. In cyclic order, these three products will be equal. ABC is equal to BCA equal to CAB. ABC equal to BCA equal to CAB. That is A dot B cross C equal to B dot C cross A equal to C dot A cross B. The volume of a parallelepiped with coterminous edges A, B, and C, that is adjacent sides, is given by A, B, C, the scalar triple product A dot B cross C. The scalar triple product of these three vectors will give the volume of the parallelepiped. Here the vectors A, B, and C, these three are coterminous edges. What is the meaning of coterminous edges? The edges having the same initial point. The vector A, vector C, and B have the same initial point. So these three sides are called coterminous edges. If three vectors A, B, and C are coplanar, then the value of the product will be 0. That is, if these three vectors are coplanar, then the vectors will lie on the same plane. If the vectors lie on the same plane, they cannot form a parallelepiped. That is, volume will be 0. So the volume is given by the scalar triple product. So scalar triple product will be 0 if the vectors are coplanar. That is, volume will not be there. Volume is 0. In a scalar triple product, the position of the dot and cross can be interchanged. In a scalar triple product, the position of the dot and cross can be interchanged. That is, A dot B cross C is equal to A cross B dot C. Dot and cross can be interchanged. Okay.